Hello, hi, I'm Daruni, speech and language pathologist. So, today I'm going to share about books. So, as a mother, in my experience, how I taught my kid using books and what all books I used for teaching my son. So, during those days, we have no cell phone, we have no iPad, we have no tab. So, we lived in a generation where there were no gadgets. But the present generation are living with so much of gadgets around them. For example, TV, tab, phone, then iPad and Wi-Fi, this and that. So, what is making them developmental delay and communication delay? So, everything goes behind because of all these gadgets. So, when a gadget is introduced, automatically the child's skills will be affected. For example, the lack of communication. So, when the child is sitting with a phone, the child will continuously watching the phone even for hours and hours. So, the child doesn't want anything. The child will be like sitting alone. There will be a lot of like communication problem, there will be a lot of frustration happening in the child, and vision will be affected. So many problems are affected because of the gadgets. So first I started teaching with a padded book. So it's an alphabet which has in a page there will be 4 to 5 pictures about A in an alphabet A, which starts with apple, aeroplane, abacus. So first started with that book and I started explaining, okay, this is apple, aeroplane, uh, like acron. So I was just teaching my son with that book. So later on with that book I started with an ebook. So where that ebook can talk. So instead of using a gadget, I started an ebook purchased in Amazon. And then when I gave that book, my son was loving it so much and he was enjoying with the book and he was having a good time with the books. So later on, I started with buying a lot of books like animated books, like Hanuman, Aeroplane, like so many books I got. And then with vegetables, fruits, because a same book cannot be taught every time, right? So exploring that, I got a lot of books for my son from all the places, and I just go around and I get a lot of books for my son. So these books actually help kids to imagine a lot of things, and that will help a lot for the child's development. So when a book cannot talk, when a child is looking at the book, when the child wants to know about the picture, automatically what will happen? The child will come to the mother or the child will go to that person, and it will point at the book and ask for, what is this? This. So they will be keep on asking all the questions. So this is what we want. So the child should ask. So all these comes when the child's development is going properly. So when we introduce books, when we introduce toys, they start playing with the toys. Instead of giving them a cell phone, get them like few toys. Give them blocks that they can build. Get them a car which they can ride inside the house. Get them a cycle which they can ride inside the house. Give them a blackboard where they can scream, when they can scribble and write with their own. So normally kids has to face everything at in the childhood time. So when they start facing all these things, automatically everything will come accordingly.
Welcome to this interesting game. You will enjoy your time here with me. No! A, B, C, D. Let's learn the words one by one. A is for apple. B is for balloon. Let's learn the spelling of the word. Apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Balloon. B, A, L,
ഇങ്ങനെ നോക്ക്. സൈക്കിൾ, സ്കൂട്ടർ, ഷിപ്പ്, ഏറോപ്ലെയിൻ. ഓയ് ഇതെന്തമ്മാ? ഇത് കാർഗോ ഷിപ്പ്. ഇത് സ്നോ മൊബൈൽ കാർ. ഇത് കുച്ചു 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 ട്രെയിൻ. ഇത് ജി മാമ ബൈക്ക്. വെരി ഗുഡ് ബോയ്. വാവ്, നമ്മളിപ്പോ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. ഇതെന്താ ശിവു? അമ്മ സൈക്കിൾ. വെരി ഗുഡ് ബോയ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് ടാറ്റ സ്കൂട്ടർ. വെൽ ഡൺ കണ്ണ, സൂപ്പർ. ഇത് ജി മാമ ബൈക്ക്. ഇത് ഓക്കെ, മോൻ അറിയത്തില്ല, അമ്മ പറയാം. സൈക്കിൾ റിക്ഷ. വെരി ഗുഡ് കണ്ണ, വെരി ഗുഡ്. അടുത്ത് ഇതെന്താ? കാറ്. ഇത് വാൻ. വെരി ഗുഡ് കണ്ണ, സൂപ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് ജീപ്പ്. ഇത് വെരി ഗുഡ്, വെരി ഗുഡ് ശിവ്. So these books I got it from a store called Apple Publishing Books. So where they have lots and lots of books mainly for kids. So in that books I purchased almost 9 books, which is vehicles, alphabets, numbers, fruits, vegetables, birds, then things at home. So I got a lot of books for my son, and then I started teaching him. So that book he could identify when he saw each and every page with a single picture. So he was too much into, he was able to concentrate very nicely looking at the pictures, and then he was able to identify what and where. So I was like, okay, fine, the child is able to understand. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So I started teaching my child. Dumper truck. ഓക്കെ, ഇതെന്താ മോൻ അറിയാലോ? അതെന്താ? ട്രാക്ടർ. വെരി ഗുഡ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്. ആംബുലൻസ് പോകുമ്പോ എന്ത് പറയുന്ന ശിവു? വെരി. So books actually helps in lot of creativity, imagination. They also help us to identify the things, and when we can rate the things, when we look at the book, we can ask, oh, this, what do we do in this program? Oh, what is happening here? What do you do here? So when I showed a picture of a birthday party and I asked my son about what are these things, so this is what his response was. നമ്മള് ഈ കേക്ക് വെട്ടുമ്പോ എന്ത് പാടും ശിവു? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay. അതാരാ? ചേച്ചി കട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാ കേക്ക്. കേക്ക് കിട്ടിയില്ല പാപ്പ കുട്ടിക്ക്. അമ്മ നാളെ വാങ്ങിച്ചു തരാം. ഓക്കെ, ഗുഡ് ബോയ്. So as a parent, as a mother, so I request all the mothers to purchase books for your child. Play with them, talk to them, explain them looking at the pictures. Instead of showing a gadget, show them the books and teach them accordingly, so that your child will start talking soon, and also your child will start exploring many things. Because of this pandemic thing, we are not able to send our child outside, but still inside we can show them a lot of pictures, and we can teach them in a way that they can explore with the books and they can enjoy their life. So the books whichever I have bought, I have mentioned all the links in the description box, so you can go through that. And if you have any doubts or if you have any comments, you can put it in the comment box. Thank you so much for your valuable time.